According to a tweet from leaker Sawyer Gallo of TechScoops, the new Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature more RAM than previously. If you obtain the appropriate model, it might leap from 12 gigs to 16 gigs, which is quite cool. The previous Galaxy S24 Ultra always had 12 gigs of RAM, but according to Sawyer Gallo's tweet, the base version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will still feature 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. If you pay more for the model with 512 gigs or 1 terabyte of storage, you'll also get more RAM, up to 16 gigs. Speaking of changes, the screen size on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will increase slightly from 6.8-inch to 6.9-inch, and the phone will most likely run on a new Snapdragon chip called the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which will be built using Samsung's latest technology. Samsung had already provided its top-tier Galaxy S phones 16GB of RAM, and in March 2020, the Galaxy S20 Ultra featured a variant with 512GB of storage and 16 gigs of RAM. The trend continued with the 2021 Galaxy S21 Ultra, which also featured 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. However, Samsung kept to 12 gigs of RAM for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, without giving this 16 gigs option. With more RAM and devices, you can run multiple applications at the same time without having to shut any. Samsung is also seeking to improve its Galaxy AI features with the Galaxy S25 series. Even though the basic Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with 12 gigs of RAM, upgrading to 16 gigs will be necessary for handling these advanced features smoothly. Additionally, we have news that Apple is copying a Galaxy AI feature for iOS 18. These new features, such as generative AI, require a lot of RAM, CPU power, and storage space. Samsung's One UI 6.1 update introduces a new feature called Transcript Help to its voice recorder app powered by Galaxy AI. This feature can transcribe speech recordings and even give AI-generated summaries to assist users better grasp the material. It's an extremely useful tool for daily usage. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.